In this video, I'll show you how you can copy my trades in an easy way by using the social trading feature of Pocket Option. So if you are new to binary options trading, or if you are an experienced trader who just want to simply copy other people and make profit, then watch this video very carefully, because I'm going to show you each and everything in a simple way so that you can start to copy these trades right after watching this video. So firstly, what you need to do is you need to see a link in the description of this YouTube video. You'll find a free Telegram channel link. You just click on it and join that free Telegram channel. And there are a few instructions that you need to follow in order to get my UID to copy my trades. So let me refresh it again, and so that I can show you that these are real statistics, not a fake one. And I am continuously publishing the results that are like this in Telegram channel. And if you notice properly, I only make $200 per trade in each trade, as you can see here. So now once you join my free Telegram channel, that is, the link will be in the description of this YouTube video, and then you follow the instructions, you will get access to my VIP copy trading channel, Telegram channel, where you can find my UID, because UID is a necessary thing to do social trading. So once you get that UID, then just log into your Pocket Option account and just click on this social trading, and then click on this. Now you can copy all of these people also, but I would suggest you to not do so, because here you can see 60% win rate, okay, 80% win rate. Now if I click on this account, then here you can see max trade is $1,000 today and minimum trade is $700. So now what happens if you make two profit of $700 and two loss of $1,000? Then you will be in loss in that case. So if you copy this kind of account which have higher profitable trades percentage, then you may face loss. So that's why I would suggest you to not copy this kind of account. Now UID is something that looks like this. Okay, so just copy the UID from my VIP copy trading channel, and then just click on here. Firstly, you click on this social trading, and then click on here and click on search. Now just enter that UID at here, just paste that UID, and the name will pop up at here. Now this is not my ID, I'm just showing you it as an example. Now just click on that, and you will see this kind of boxes. Once you see this kind of boxes, then just click on this copy. Now you will see these four boxes that are appearing at here. Ignore all of these three boxes, okay, and just increase or decrease this percent box. Now as I've told you, every day I make every day I make $200 per trade in each trade. So if I show you today's result, 3 trades were profitable, 100% trades were profitable, okay, and we made a profit of $504. And if I show you in yesterday, it is showing 6 trades, but I have made 3 trades in this day also, and day before yesterday stats is also showing in here. So that's why here you can see, oh sorry, 3 trades were of yesterday and 3 trades were of day before yesterday. And if I show you in all time, then here you can see total trading profit is $20,448 and 65% win rate, and this much trades were made. So here you can see in minimum trade it is showing $1, but that was one mistake trade that I have made in the past. That's why this in all time this stats is showing $1 per trade, but I only make $200 per trade, as you can see here, in yesterday, in today, okay. So now I make $200 per trade. So if you copy this 100%, then you will be copying my $200 per trade. But if you want to copy $2 per trade, then just make it 1 at here. That means you will start to copy $2 per trade. 1% of $200 is $2. Okay, so that's why like this, if you want to copy $10 per trade, just make it 5%. Now you'll start to copy my $10 per trade. Now I have previously told you that do not use anything at here, ignore these boxes. Why I'm telling you that is, like, some people who are already copying me, if they use this kind of boxes, make changes to these boxes, then something happens in their account and they are not able to copy all of my trades. That's why I would suggest you to not touch all of these boxes. Now instead what you can do is, let's say you just want to risk $100 in my copy trading service and you have $200 in your account. So if you just want to risk $100, then withdraw that another $100 and just put the $100 only at here. Okay, and then you can copy my trades with the risk of that $100 only, so you don't need to use any of this. Now my minimum and maximum trade is going to be of $200 only, so that's why there is no need to make any changes to here also, because if you put 5%, then you will only copy the 5% of $200, that is going to be $10 per trade. Now one important thing, as you can see in my stats, today I have made three trades, yesterday I have made 3 trades, and day before yesterday also I have made 3 trades. Okay, so now how I put these 3 trades is like I trade as less as possible. So let's say if I'm making trade of 200, I'm telling you that I'm going to make trade of $200 is $200 per trade. That means I'm going to take 3 trades at once. Okay, and that's why maximum of my trades are profitable while showing you this kind of stats. As you can see, is 100% profitable. So I have made 3 trades at once. Okay, in this trade. So now let's say you have like $6 in your account. I mean, you need to have $6 in your account to copy $2 per trade for 3 times. So let's say you make it 1%. Now you'll copy $2 per trade. Now in your account there must be $6, so that you can copy all of my 3 trades. Okay, if you have less than $6, then there are chances that my trades would not be copied in your account. Similarly, let's say you have $90 in your account and you want to copy like $30 per trade, just make it 15%, and all 3 trades will be copied to your account. That is just my suggestion. You can use your mind and do something in this place, but I'm just suggesting you. So let's say I make $200 per trade, 3 trades is equals to $600 per trade. So if you want to copy 100% in that case scenario, you can simply add $600 or $650 and just copy 100% of my trade, and you will be making profit like this. But that is your choice. I'm just suggesting you. And once everything is completed at here, just click on confirm and you will start to copy my trades. Now I'll see you inside my free Telegram channel. Bye.